Hello everyone! Today is a beautiful sunny day, plus 25 degrees in the sun, and today we're going to have our beach walk 900 meters from our Riviera project. Let's go! And right now I'm walking in the level of ground floor apartment, and you can understand how beautiful the view is going to be even from the ground floor units. And also the good thing about Riviera project that we already have construction going on right here, so when your property will be ready, nothing will disturb you. The Riviera is located in Tatlısu region and it's famous for its natural resources. Behind me you can see the bee farm, and the local farmers choose this area to have farm because it's rich with its infrastructure and perfect nature for farming. Here in the area we have so many carob trees. This is what Cyprus is famous for. It's natural sugar and it's very good for your health and immune system. The nature is fantastic around. I wish you could come and feel the fresh air by yourself. This is fantastic. I want to remind you that we are in the end of February and people are actually swimming in the sea, and it doesn't drop below 18 degrees during the winter time. And one more interesting fact, that Cyprus and the water around it in the Mediterranean Sea was recognized as the cleanest waters in Europe, including UK and Switzerland. Isn't it amazing? I hope you enjoyed this trip down to the beach. Thanks for watching.